For fleets that operate safety cameras, requesting on-demand video after the fact needs to be a simple yet powerful process, and therein lies the problem until now. Introducing the Third Eye Eyesight interface with simple on-demand video request capability. With Eyesight on Demand, fleet owners simply define the exception-based events, and Eyesight does the rest. When an exception-based event is triggered, you're alerted. In the event you need to create an on-demand request, it's simple. Click on the truck in question, and then hit the Request Video button. Look at the map, select the location you'd like to review, click Submit, and your video request will be received within moments. Eyesight also works flawlessly from any device, so for those working remotely, it works flawlessly on your cell phone, your tablet, or your laptop. The new Third Eye Eyesight interface, powered by Eyesight Business Intelligence, puts the data fleet owners want to see at their fingertips. With Eyesight, you're provided the maximum value of visibility that Connected Collections has to offer across all modules, starting with Safety Intelligence and Optim-Eyes, which are available now. The Eyesight interface and on-demand video is all part of the Connected Collections offering that focuses on helping fleet owners make better decisions faster.